Hi and welcome to Phone Arena's video review of the Samsung Innovate. Samsung Innovate is an all-in-one smartphone that runs on Symbian S60 and features an 8 megapixel camera, Wi-Fi, GPS and DIVX support. It is a slider with similar dimensions to the Nokia N96, which is its rival model. We're pleased with the design and the make of the phone, but the slider has a slight offset to the right. The display is 2.8 inches, QVGA, and supports up to 16 million colors. It looks just fine indoors and is usable outdoors, but if bright light hits the screen, it will turn into a mirror. The keys in the navigation cluster below are not very large but have excellent relief and are felt by touch without a problem. The numeric keys have less travel, and we don't recommend the phone to heavy textures, but still, it should be just fine for everyday use. It is strange that the volume rocker is on the left, as in landscape mode it remains on the bottom. Also here is the 3.5mm jack, which we'd prefer to see on the top or the bottom. The right side houses the camera shortcut, the 3-way switch and the microSD slot. Look at the Innovate from the back and you may think it's a standalone camera. As we've already mentioned, this is a Symbian S60 3rd edition feature pack 2 smartphone. This is the latest version of the operating system and is also used in N96. Innovate runs well, and although it's not the fastest phone we've seen, it feels good. There are 3 preloaded color themes in order to personalize the look of the interface. They're all inspired by other Samsung phones. We won't discuss the standard features such as phone book, organizer or messaging, since they're all very well done and are typical for the Symbian S60 system. The internet browser is also standard, but that isn't a bad thing either. Pages load well and you can use the browser on a daily basis. It isn't as comfortable as the Safari or Opera 9.5, which are used in touch phones, but panning helps for navigation. Great feature is the option to see flash objects in the browser. The camera isn't really fast, with a startup time of 4 seconds and requiring the same time to store photos. Its interface is similar to that of the G810 and isn't pretty with the grayscale colors, but is user-friendly. Added features are the smile and blink shot. We're rather disappointed by the photos because even though they look fine during the day, the flash isn't strong enough for quality pictures in the dark. They're definitely above the average level, but we don't think that the Innovate will be the best 8 megapixel camera phone this season. It can also capture VGA videos with decent quality. The music player is also standard for this operating system. It isn't really pretty and has a problem visualizing the album art covers of many songs we've tested, but is user-friendly and with a decent set of features. The sound quality through good headphones connected to the 3.5mm jack is excellent. One of the key features is the built-in DIVX support, which allows you to watch video clips without converting them. Not all files we tested played, but if you convert the videos to a format that the phone can play, for example DIVX5 or a newer version, or H.264 with MP4 format, and resolution of up to 640 by 480 pixels, the image quality will be pretty good on the 2.8-inch display. Samsung has loaded the phone with a set of applications and games, including the full versions of the Asphalt 3 and FIFA OED. Here we also have the Fring application, which is a very good instant messenger. Route 66 is another addition, and it can be used for navigation, but it comes with no maps. Those, however, are available for a fee. Overall, nothing about Innovate is innovative, but it's a good smartphone. It has a decent camera and multimedia features. It also looks fine, although it isn't a fashion accessory, and has a decent sound during a call. We recommend it to anyone looking for an all-in-one S60 smartphone, but if you want the best camera phone, we'd suggest you wait until the other models with such cameras appear on the market. Please visit phonearena.com for our full review with lots of images and a 360 degrees view.